Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama. Obviously I'm filming this when it's still Christmas time. Today is actually Christmas when I'm filming it. I'm having a pretty chill day and just wrote out some little notes and things that I wanted to share with you guys. I did just do a review. You guys will see that video up before this one, but I did a review on the GOLI vitamins, so definitely check that out. This is going to be a part of today's video. But today I wanted to talk to you guys about how you can lose 4 to 5 pounds. I'm going to say 4 to 5 pounds. Let's just say 2 to 5 pounds in a week. I'm going to tell you my experience with so far during my weight loss journey. If you guys don't know, I am trying to lose 20 pounds. So far I have lost 9 pounds in a little less than 3 weeks, and I've just been so excited about it, and I have some tips and tricks. I do want to say before we get this video really started that I am not a doctor. I am giving you guys this from my experience, what has worked for me, and it might possibly work for you. So if you have other opinions on fasting, intermittent fasting, and counting calories and stuff like that, then you don't need to do that. Maybe that won't work for you, but it's something that has worked for me. So I'm going to go ahead. I have a list of 5 things you can do to lose up to 5, we're going to say up to 5 pounds, because not everyone's going to lose 5 pounds in a week, but I focused on these things and I was able to lose about 5 pounds in 1 week. And not every week do I lose up to 5 pounds. Some weeks I lose 2 pounds. Some weeks I lose 3 pounds, but it's always at least 2 pounds that I lose. If you are new to my channel as well, I love doing what I eat in a day videos. I'm going to start doing them way more often on my channel. So yeah, we're just going to jump right into kind of my weight loss journey, how it's been going, and some tips and tricks. So I hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching. Okay, we're going to get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do when you want to lose weight is, I wrote down, go into it with a goal. So set a goal for yourself. So hop on that scale. I know it might be a little scary, but if you want to lose weight, you need to, my biggest thing is stand on your scale and take a picture of how much you weigh, and then really sit down and focus on how much you want to lose and how much time. But you need to also realize too that you're not going to lose it right away. Sometimes it takes a few people to lose in 5 pounds. Sometimes it takes a whole month for people to lose that, and some people like me, I can lose it in about a week or a week and a half to 2 weeks, so everyone's body is different. Go into that knowing that as well. Don't be too hard on yourself, but give yourself a goal on how much you want to lose and when. I feel like that will keep you hold yourself accountable. The holding yourself accountable thing, I wrote that as number 5, but we're going to do it as number 2. So going into this, before the whole counting calories, fasting, and watching what you eat and all, and exercising and all that, so write your goal on how much you want to lose, and then find something that can hold you accountable. Right now, I follow a group on Facebook, and her name is Sheree. She's so sweet. She's such a good, a fitness motivator and stuff. I will link her page right down below. Definitely go check it out. But you also can find some friends that can keep you motivated. You can find family. You can post it on Facebook. Say, hey guys, you don't have to share how much you weigh, but say, I want to lose this much in this amount of time. I'm starting my journey, and I just want to share the experience with you guys. And if you don't have a Facebook or social media, then find someone close to you that just say, I'm going to share my experience with you. I want you to kind of ask me how it's going and stuff like that, but don't be too hard on me, Matt is extremely supportive about it, and it's been amazing. It's been a great motivator. When he comes upstairs and sees me working out or eating better and counting calories and stuff, he's always telling me how proud he is of me, and plus he sees how my body is looking, and he just tells me how good I'm looking and stuff like that. So it's very I mean, obviously he thinks that I look good previous to losing weight, but I have a goal for myself, and that kind of like really shows on how much effort I've been putting into this. So have something that can hold you accountable. I do know a few apps that you can have that you can use down below. There's one called Diet Bet. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. I did actually join that. The week that I did lose the 5 pounds, like the most weight, I joined that. It was like a $30, you put $30, you paid $30, and then like 1,000 people or 100 people can join, and they put $30 into like the pot, which is obviously on like a social media app. And by the time the 4 weeks is up, you're supposed to lose like a certain amount of body fat or something, and you will win your $30 back if you do lose that, plus more money, because some people won't lose that much, so you win more. So I ended up winning $49 back. So I put 30 in, and then I pretty much won 19 extra dollars. So I got my extra $30 back. So that really held me accountable, because I'm like, I don't want to lose this $30. Like, I want my money back. You know what I'm saying? So things like that. If you guys know of a good app that you can use, I know Gnome is a really good one, because I know my girl Trisha, she used that, and she has lost a significant amount of weight. She's looking amazing, and I love MyFitnessPal. That's more of, you can do a lot of things on there, but I just use the basic one. That's what I use to count calories, which that's going to be our third one that I talk about. Going in to losing weight, it is your main goal is to focus on kind of like what you're eating and making sure you're not consuming too many calories per, like you're going to want to go on a calorie deficit. So MyFitnessPal is my favorite. I know, like I said, there's Gnome and then a few other ones, but I love MyFitnessPal. You go in there, you put your weight that you weigh already, and then you go and you put what you want your goal weight to be. And it'll tell you how many calories that you should consume during a day. And then throughout the day, you just track your calories. They have a barcode that you can scan the product, and it'll show up like how much the serving size is and stuff like that. So counting calories is one of the biggest ways to lose weight. Now, some of y'all will be like, some of y'all will have some issues possibly with losing weight. You might have hit a plateau because of your age. I know some people have like some thyroid issues and stuff, but I can say, I did mention this in another video, I have a friend who has some thyroid issues, and she has other health issues, and she was overweight, and she ended up losing like 80 pounds. So she stuck to counting calories and working out at the gym. You can lose it. Like if you really focused on, don't just do it for 2 days or a week. You need to do it for, like, you need to do it consistently and like not give up and keep trying, and you can lose weight. I did talk to one of my friends, and she said that a family member just is heavier and just can't lose weight. So like I said, if that's you, then obviously these things might not work for you. It might be something in your health that you're just not able to like lose weight easily, and my heart hurts for those people. Like I wish I could help in some way, but I'm not a fitness coach. But I'm saying if you don't have those issues, these things should possibly work for you. So if you do have those issues, then don't get mad at me of saying that these things would work and then they don't work for you. You know your body better than I do. I'm just saying, these are what works for me. So counting calories is a must. In MyFitnessPal, download it. It's amazing, but there's a few other ones that you can try. So I'm going to tell you this right now. If you don't want to work out, then I feel like you're not really going to, if you're not going to be physically active whatsoever, then you are possibly not going to be losing the weight that you really want to lose. I'm saying this from experience because during the last like 2 months, the weeks that I worked out are the weeks that I worked out and counted calories are the weeks that I lost weight. The weeks that I just counted calories and didn't work out, I didn't lose any weight, but I maintained the weight that I did take off. I didn't gain any weight. So being physically active, like getting your heart rate up and breaking a sweat. It doesn't have to be intense workouts. Right now I'm doing Beachbody and I absolutely love it. If you want more information on that, let me know. But you can easily just go on, there's like a lazy girl workout on YouTube that I absolutely love. If you guys want me to share that with you, let me know. But it's like a 10-minute workout and you are laying down on the ground and you just do some crunchies and stuff like that. A lot of people that do have extra weight on them are having back issues and things like that. And I hear a lot of people complaining about how their body hurts, how they're always super, super tired, and they're just not putting forth the effort. So if you're not putting forth the efforts of watching what you eat, even if you don't eat that much in a day, that's not good for you. You need to consume the calories you're supposed to in a day, but make sure you don't overeat, but you need to be physically active instead of sitting on that couch or drinking Coke. That's going to be another one I'm going to tell you guys about. Just be active. So number 4, did we go over? Yeah, no, that was number 4, working out. So number 5 and the last one that I have to tell you guys is the GOLI vitamins are amazing. This helps suppress my appetite. Like I said, watch that video. These are amazing to help you fight those cravings and stuff like that. Be sure you're drinking tons of water. I have realized that consuming a good amount of water does help me have a bit more energy and lose weight. And especially when you're being active, you do want to stay hydrated. Cut down, and the last thing that I want to mention, cut down on the sugar. If you love soda, have a small little soda a day, and then, because I used to, when I like soda, I love like the carbonation and stuff, but I hate flavored, like fizzy, bubbled water. Excuse me, carbonated water. So if I would have soda, I'd have one of the little mini Cokes a day. But now I just don't even buy it. And if I do have soda, it's when I like go out to eat or I'm like really treating myself. Like that's another thing I should mention is have like, don't, when you're counting your calories and stuff like that, don't just give up all the things that you love to eat. Eat in moderation, have smaller meals, and like spread them out a bit. Like you can have, instead of having a big meal, have 2 smaller meals. You know, have a little more smaller meals during the day instead of huge meals, and have a few snacks. Obviously, watch those calories because they do really, once you start counting calories, it's crazy how much you see how it just really adds up. I still eat, you're going to see in one of my eat in a day videos, I try to eat somewhat healthy, but I still love my bread. I love my sugar, and yeah, I love meat and I love cheese and stuff, but I still like eat those things, but I eat like in moderation. I don't eat too much of it. And my thing is, life is too short. I'm not going to sit here and eat tons of veggies and fruit and stuff like that and not eat what I like really want to eat. You're going to, like I said, when you watch my video, you are going to be like, wow, she doesn't really eat super, super healthy, but she is losing weight. You know what I mean? Like, I try to eat healthy, but like I said, I still eat bread and stuff like that. You just have to see what kind of like bread is like a little bit better for you. And if you're not eating that much, to me, it's not that big of a deal. Obviously, I would lose so much more weight if I would really cut those things out, but I'm sorry. I like my food, so I'm not going to cut that out. So yeah, just don't eat, and then again, sugar is a huge thing. Don't have too much sugar. That is a huge issue with like weight gain and stuff. I feel like I'm just kind of rambling on. I think I pretty much pointed out everything that you need to do. Well, you can try to do to lose weight. If you have any tips and tricks, oh my gosh, I didn't even tell you guys one of the main things. This is one that I didn't write down. How did I not write this down? So, mom brain, seriously, mom brain. One of the biggest things that ways that I have lost weight, I feel like, was intermittent fasting. That is not eating till about noon. Now, I did read some research on saying that intermittent fasting is not that great for women due to like, it messes with your hormones and stuff like that. But I did it for that first week, I didn't eat till about noon to 1, and I lost about 5 pounds. So I don't eat. You don't technically need to do it in the morning. You can do it at nighttime. Just Google fasting for yourself, intermittent fasting, and there's tons of other ones that you can try. But I do feel like fasting is one really good way to losing weight. It did help me out. I am doing it right now, but on mornings, if I do wake up and I am feeling kind of like, oh my gosh, I need to eat something because I feel nauseous. Some mornings I feel nauseous, and then other mornings I don't. Those mornings I feel nauseous, it's pretty much your body telling you, hey, you need to fuel yourself and you need to eat something. So I eat something, and then maybe I just have like a smaller lunch or something. But normally I wake up in the morning, do my workout, play with Hunter, and then when the time 12 to 1 rolls around, that's when I'm like, okay, I'm ready to eat. I'm going to eat something. So intermittent fasting, look it up. I think it helped me tremendously with my weight loss so far. And yeah, I just want to continue this journey. I hope you guys want to stick around. If you want to see like what I eat in a day videos and stuff like that, be sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and comment down below any tips and tricks that you have used. I really don't think, I bought the Teamy Blend tea, and I just couldn't stand the taste of the tea. Honestly, I feel like, and I took that for about a week, and I didn't lose any weight, and I wasn't working out. So I bet you anything, if I worked out, I would have lost weight, but I don't think it was because the tea would have helped. I think those are all like gimmicks and stuff. If they're wanting to send some my way, like Skinny Mint and stuff like that, I've been curious about those, but I wouldn't purchase them. If they wanted to send it to me for like review, then I would totally test it out. But I'm not going to spend my money on it, because if I know that I can do this and lose weight, what I just mentioned to you guys, then I'm just going to continue doing this. So if you guys have any tips and tricks, let me know down below. I appreciate you watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.